terms of land dispute, we have many land disputes, different owners. Many people have different land disputes within the Isiolo County. One of it is that we need to use the alternative way. How to solve this is, one, we make sure that any person who wants to register the land follow the procedure, all the protocols that's needed by the county government of Isiolo, and make sure that it is aligned with the policy and it's aligned with the Constitution of Kenya, so that everything is in line. Secondly, we have a lot of challenges based on the within municipality and within the urban and informal sectors we have. So for this one, the county government already have a spatial plan, a 10-year spatial plan which is already ongoing, and we need to strengthen this so that we document everything. We make sure that everything is digitalized so that we don't have recurring issues. One of it is that we have a GIS lab within the county. It has been equipped well, so with this, the help of GIS we have, it will solve the issue of the land dispute we have. All the documentation will be digitalized. It will help us to move in an appropriate way so that we can have a very unique way of the boundary and the historical injustices by the other neighboring counties, Meru, Marsabit, Isiolo, Samburu, and Wajir County. I will ensure that we shall map all our boundaries, and to make sure that our boundaries are being safeguarded based on that. And I will make sure I will follow it up in terms of using the legal framework to make sure that all the lands which are illegally acquired or shrink by the other community, by the neighboring counties, will be returned back to our community, to our counties. Besides that, one of the biggest challenges in that is our land is vast, our community are not settlement. I will also ensure the settlement will be placed at the border point so that our community will have that privilege of sitting along the border to avoid any encroachment by the neighboring counties. In terms of policy formulation, I think I've already answered some of that. In terms of letter of allotments, how do I protect the innocent people, orphans, and that one, we have a policy that is in place. We make sure all these policies are followed. And in terms of the land registration and land documentation, we need to follow the step by steps so that to avoid these cartels, not to take advantage of these poor people. In terms of those who have duly signed allotment letters and all that, we shall have, I will put a measure that in place so that to avoid such issue to happen again. I will also take the lead in terms of safeguarding our poor people, so that the orphans will be protected during my tenure, and all the lands belonging to the community will be returned back from the cartels. In terms of the planning and the residential and the education area, we have, in terms of the lands development, have the planning, urban planning system, which are in place to make sure this land bucket, we shall have already, there's existing residential places and the market places, which are already been designed and already in place. But maybe our community, our people have taken encroach the land. To make sure that I will follow all the steps that are place to make sure that all the lands which are acquired illegally to be returned to all the public lands that have been acquired illegally to be returned, so that we shall have all systems in place and make sure that all the lands are being, all the public lands have been safeguarded. Also to safeguard the owners of the land, so that to verify the documentation of each and everyone who come before me, so that I will verify the document with the stakeholders and make sure that all the necessary requirements are being in place. In terms of transport vehicle, which is also one of the government measure, most of the time you find the member of the staffs are using the vehicle. One of the things is to put a measure in place to avoid such cases to happen. One is to make sure that we have a stringent measure. Each and every vehicle to suppose to have a tracker in place, so that we can identify which vehicle is moving along at this time, the wee hours of the wee hour, so that the tracker can track the movement of that vehicle to avoid any misuse of our resources. Thank you. In terms of the public construction site and based on the subscription, we shall have a policy in place to make sure that all the documentation, all the necessary functionality of the public works are being in place. One thing, based on the help of the county assembly to implement the policies that need to be in place, I will formulate all the policies which are not being formulated, so that we can have those policies in place to help us guiding in terms of earning our revenue through this public works sector. In terms of urban planning, the county government, with the help of the county governor already, have in place in modernization. We have in the CAIDP, we have already in place in our in the 5 years plan in our CAIDP, so that we can formulate all the things that are in place in terms of modernization, in terms of market modernization, and in terms of waste disposal, so that we can have those in place.